Hi there, students. A snit, a noun, a countable noun, and snitty as an adjective. I would say that the adjective is much, much less common. Okay, a snit, a temper, a bad mood. He's in a bit of a snit today. Very, very commonly a bit of a snit, but that's, I think, because of the way it rhymes. Bit, snit, a bit of a snit. The boss is in a bit of a snit today. He's a bit snitty today. So be careful what you say. He's been in a bit of a snit all week, and we ought to you just give him a wide berth. Try to avoid him. So, irritated, a state of agitated irritation where you're a bit angry about something, you're not happy. His girlfriend is always in a bit of a snit with him about something. She's angry. She gets into a snit over the most ridiculously unimportant things. Come on, don't get into a snit with me. I was just trying to help. So a fit of anger, a fit of irritation. Yeah, but it's not very, very angry. It's probably 6 out of 10 on the angry scale, if you like. So a temper, a bad mood, a lack of patience. So he's in a snit because he didn't get promoted. He's in a snit because his team lost the final. Okay, so to be in a snit when he discovered that he was going to have to work this weekend, he flew into a snit. Okay, so to be in a snit, to be angry, to be upset, a fit of temper. Yeah, okay, peak. When you get out of bed on the wrong side, you're in a snit. Okay, or to go into a snit. He went into a snit when I told him that the project wouldn't be ready until tomorrow. Yeah, he's in a snit, so be careful about what he's saying. Okay, so yeah, he lost his temper and he was in a snit for the rest of the day. Okay, so in a snit. And then the adjective snitty. So come on, don't be so snitty. Yeah? You've got two things. You can get into a snit, and then you're going to have to get out of it as well. So in a state of anger, upset, in a sulking, if you're sulking, a fit of bad humour, a fit of pique, if you like. I think it's always unpleasant to be with somebody who's in a snit. I think if they're in a snit, you just leave them to get over it. Okay, so in a snit, in a huff, in a temper, in a tizzy, fuming, in a bad mood, somebody who's stewing, a tantrum. Okay, a tantrum's quite a good one because we've got this phrase, a snit fit. Yeah, he threw a snit fit. Yeah, he was in a really bad mood. I think he was in a snit because he banged up his car. He's in a huff. Yeah, he's ill-humoured. He's bad-tempered. He's sullen. He's in a tiff. He's sulking. He's in a bit of a fury. He's in a mood. He's in a rage. He's got his feathers ruffled. An outburst of anger. He's vexated. He's very vexed. He's cross. He's got his dander up. So, in a snit. Now, formality. This is informal. In a snit. I think I'm going to give it a 3.5, maybe a 4 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Semi-formal conversation, yes. Semi-formal writing, probably not. And as to origin, I think the origin of this one's probably a bit difficult. Maybe onomatopoeic is certainly possible. But I don't know. Apparently, it comes from the 1930s. So, enough. If you're in a snit, you're in a bad mood. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't, well, if you're in a snit, your problem. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. In a snit, snit, snitty.